Hi everyone, this is me again, Teacher Noy, and welcome back to my YouTube channel.
Hi everyone!
Today will be a very exciting video because I'm sure that this is exciting not only for me but for all of you dahil finally the time has come for us to create the trending Gundam keychain. Nandito na po ang ating RG Wing Gundam Zero EW. Nandito na rin ang ating camping case kung saan ilalagay natin ang ating gunpla. So, wala na po tayong iisipin pa but for us to start this project para makita na natin whether this one will become successful or not. How's everyone? Hindi ko alam ang nangyari sa boses ko kasi when I'm trying to talk, biglang nawala yung boses. Hindi naman sa nawala or I'm having difficulty of talking pero hopefully that while I'm talking right now, you will still be able to understand what I'm saying. But the good news is I was able to finish already building our Gunpla. Our Gundam rather. I'm sure that you're able to see it. Kung nakita niyo po itong video while I'm doing this, nakikita niyo naman, di ba? This is so cool. Ang ganda-ganda niya. I like it. Natutuwa ako kasi when I was doing this, or when I was creating this, I felt like napakabilis ko habang ginagawa ito. But when I checked the time, nakita ko na it was 12:07 already. Imagine, I started from 6 p.m. then ended at 12:07. Nagkaroon naman ako ng a little break when my mom called me for dinner. Pero nagmadali lang talaga ako so that I can finish this one. And I will be able to show you if our project is successful or not. Pero sa tingin nyo, successful ba siya? Will this one be able to fit in this case? I want you to see, kasi I'm so happy to share with you that this little project that I am doing right now is, tingnan nyo na muna if it's a success or not. So I'm going to open now our case. So ito po yung ating case. Ay, sorry, natumba. Then I'm going to put it inside. You cannot really spread the wings of the Gundam or the Wing Gundam Zero kasi mahirapan talaga siya. It will take a lot of space inside. But when you are going to do it like this, that I'm doing right now, kung makikita nyo, this is how I do it. Pag nilagay nyo siya ng ganyan, you will be able to put it inside and close it properly. This is what I'm planning to happen. And this is really what I am expecting it to happen. Look, see? Kasha, diba? So for those people who are saying that will not be, kasha kaya, diba? And it looks so cool. Ang ganda-ganda niya inside. And I am so excited to use this, hang it as an accessory in my bag, and wait for people's reaction when they see this one. Diba? Ang cool-cool niya. Medyo malaki lang talaga siya for a keychain. But still, I can say na this is something that will really make me happy. I am so happy talaga. I just can't really express it to you. Kasi medyo nahirapan ako magsalita. I do not know why I lost my voice. Siguro pag 6 hours, 6 hours ba yun? Was it 6 hours? Basta yun, for those, pag ganun pala katagal na you were not talking, nawawala agad ang boses mo. Pero see, can you not feel genuine happiness when you do something like this? This is something that you can be proud of, diba? I want to also address this, this is not an issue or a problem at all. Pero kasi there was this one, I think there is this one person who gave a comment when I posted something about this as a project that I'm going to do. And that person said na, ano daw, this trend is for those people who are experiencing FOMO. Kung hindi nyo po alam yung FOMO, ito po yung fear of missing out. Then I answered this person na, that's the reason why there is a trend. You know, that's the good thing about social media because we can be able to see a lot of new things about the things that we love to do. I don't see it negatively when you feel of FOMO towards something that you like to do. Because kung hobby mo to at gusto mo talaga, it's in your interest, of course you're going to apply it into your life, or of course you're going to do something to have it or do it into your life, diba? Ang pangit lang naman when overly and excessively we feel like FOMO, if yung mga bagay na hindi naman talaga natin gusto, we force ourselves to like it or apply it into our life even if we don't really like it naman talaga at all. Pero I think with this Gundam keychain trend, if you are really a Gunpla collector and you enjoy building things like this one, it's okay, it's valid to feel FOMO. It's okay to feel like you have fear of missing out things that you like and do something about it para you will be able to get that thing that you feel like you are missing out. Basta do not do anything bad, di ba? Mahirap din naman yun kung gagawa ka ng something bad just to get those things that you want. Pero yun na yun, nagdadaldal na naman ako at ang boses ko pawala na ng pawala. Pero see, this is so nice. This one makes me happy. I'm so happy kasi I enjoyed building Gunpla. I told you the last time that I built a Gunpla was 2023 and it's 2025 now. Kaya kanina, medyo nangangapa-ngapa pa tayo sa parang there are so many things that I realized that I need. Parang I need to have a nicer table, I need to have those things like an organizer and so on. Pero little by little, I know that we will be able to reach that also. Syempre, I just transferred here in Catanduanes and I'm still starting again into this collection na was always in my heart in the first place. But allow me to say thank you for those people who came this far, who waited to see the result, and this is the result, diba? Isn't it something that makes you happy, genuinely happy, diba? I will be proud of putting this in my bag. Kasi when people will be asking me what's that, I will be proud in explaining it to them that this is something that a Gunpla collector must have because that will make him or her happy. Pero yun, thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you're going to always continue supporting me and all the future projects that I'm going to do. Marami pa po tayong i-build. Hindi po to ang last. Again, thank you very much for watching. Here I am, Teacher Noy, telling you it's okay to feel FOMO if you really want to do that thing. And if you're not going to do anything bad. And that's good, okay? This is it. Alas 12 na. We need to rest. Bye everyone. Thank you very much. Mahal ko po kayong lahat. Hi everyone, this is me again, Teacher Noy, and thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you enjoyed this video and this is your first time watching Teacher Noy, please do not forget to click my image below and subscribe in this channel. And if you're still interested in watching for more videos, there are so many choices here in this side. Please do not forget to support Teacher Noy. Like, subscribe, watch, and comment. And, if possible, share it to your friends. Thank you for watching. Bye everyone.